How to fix can't follow account on TikTok. If you're having a problem following account on TikTok and wondering how to fix that, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. So this might happen due to reasons such as following people too fast, and you can always try and go ahead and update your TikTok app and make sure that it is of the latest version. So if that doesn't work, you can always open TikTok. Go ahead and click on your profile icon at the very bottom right corner. So click on the three bars at the top right corner and go ahead and click on settings and privacy. So if you scroll down, you'll see under cache and cellular, it says free up space. So click on that and go ahead and click on clearing your cache right here and clearing this as well, your downloads as well, and restart your app. So if this also doesn't work for you, you can always go back and click on report a problem. So go ahead and scroll down and click on submit a report. So you can write something: I am unable to follow accounts on TikTok. Please help me to solve this problem as soon as possible. And you can include your specific problem as well, and go ahead and upload your screenshot or your video. And then you can click on submit. So that is how to fix can't follow account on TikTok.